وثوابتها وتستعير من الأكثرية مزاياها وإيجابياتها لإيجاد فضائل من القيم المشتركة والذوبان، وهو حالة من انحلال الأقلية في الأكثرية وفقدانها لكل خصائصها، وإن الوسطية تدعو إلى الموقف الثاني، ولهذا فإن فقه الأقليات له مقاصد وقواعد. And then he says that we have three things in front of us. Isolation, which some people choose, and I don't, it's even, wallahi, isolation is as Canadian as the Mennonites. Isolation is as American as the Amish. That people have that right. If people want to, this is part of, I mean, people came to these lands looking for freedom from people forcing ideas and ways of being on them. Well, I told when I was in Washington, D.C., I did a thing on Capitol Hill, and I told them that extremism is not the problem. Extremism is as American as apple pie. We're the most extreme nation on the earth. We have extreme eating. No Egyptian would ever enter a hot dog eating contest where he'd eat 150 hot dogs. It's just not going to happen. Egyptians, maybe if they had like ta'miyah, I don't know, but seriously, Muslims would not have a water drinking contest. And a poor woman, a mother of 3, died in Southern California because they had a radio program, had a water drinking contest, and she drank so much water, she diluted her salts, and she literally died. That's extremism. Jumping out of an airplane with a parachute for fun is extremism. Jumping off a bridge with rubber bands tied to your shoes and heading down to a cement embankment so that you can be boinged up is extremism. We have extreme music. Heavy metal is used for torture at Guantanamo Bay. They torture the inmates of Guantanamo Bay with heavy metal. And I think also maybe Frank Sinatra as well, I don't know. But music can be torture. There's extreme music. Those people that do that, if you notice, all of them have earplugs in their ears because you lose your ears. Most of the rockers from the 60s, they're all deaf. Seriously, and there's all these people in front of those giant, they have giant, I mean, if you go now to the Arab world, they love that in their gatherings. It's so loud. I used to have to plug my ears. I'm like, these people need to have like more ear, nose, and throat doctors explain this stuff. Because the 8th cranial nerve is a very sensitive nerve, and it's a wonderful nerve. Really, it's a beautiful nerve that Allah has given us to nothing. But really, extremism is very, look at the cars. We have the most extreme cars on the earth.